Birds are often a major problem for farmers because they can damage rice, corn, and fruit crops. However, there are three creative and cost-effective ways to keep birds away from farmland. First, a scarecrow made from recycled materials. Using old clothes, straw, and wood, farmers can create a simple barrier that is still effective at scaring away birds. Second, a creative bird repellent made from buckets, barrels, and corrugated iron. When blown by the wind, it makes a loud, disgusting sound, which birds dislike, thus protecting crops. Third, a modern innovation, a solar-powered bird repellent. Using solar energy, this device produces sound and flashes of light automatically, without electricity costs. It is environmentally friendly and suitable for modern agriculture. These three solutions prove that farmers' creativity can protect crops while increasing yields, from traditional methods to the latest technology.